In this video, we will talk about how to fix mouse not working in Windows 11. Method 1. Update or roll back drivers. Press and hold Windows icon key and press R on your keyboard. Type Device Manager command and press Enter. Use Tab key, then down arrow key, and come down to Mice and other pointing devices. Now use right arrow key to expand it, then down arrow key to select HID compliant mouse and press Enter. Keep pressing Tab key until it comes to General, then right arrow key to select Driver. Use Tab key and select Update Driver and press Enter. Again, press Enter to run the search for automatic update for driver. Now close it by the use of Tab key. You have to perform the same thing to update all the drivers in mice and other pointing devices. Alongside, you have to perform the same thing with USB root hub in Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Simply use the down arrow key to select Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Expand it using right arrow key on your keyboard. Apply the same method to update USB root hub drivers. And check if this helps you to fix the issue. To close the window, press and hold Alt key, then Space key. Use down arrow key and close the window. Method 2. Reset PC. Press and hold Windows icon key, then press I to open the settings. Use Tab key and come over to Home. Then down arrow key and press Enter. Now use Tab key, then down arrow key and press Enter. Use Tab key to select Reset PC and press Enter. Here you can see you have an option. Either you can select Keep My Files or you can go with Remove Everything. Before you choose either of the option, you need to understand. Keep My Files preserves your personal files like documents, pictures, music, and videos in your user folder. And it removes installed apps and programs, system settings, and drivers. If you choose Remove Everything, then it deletes all personal files, apps, and settings, and make your PC like factory reset. In both cases, Windows will be freshly reinstalled. So that's how you can fix mouse not working in Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.